viewers, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Innocent Atin Esquire. I want to bring to you today what we title the derogations to right to life. In our last videos, we talked about right to life, and in that video, we say that right to life is sacrosanct. It's one of the things that is accorded to you as a human being, and it cannot be taken. We say that nobody has the right to take the life that belongs to you, and the government has the obligations to ensure that they secure the life of every citizen. That was what we discussed in our last video. So today we'll be talking about the derogation to right to life. But before the derogation to right to life, we want to look at the position of the police force in Nigeria. Are they constitutional creation? Did they just exist without any backup? In terms of carrying out their functions and duties. So the 1999 constitutions make a police a constitutional creation. Under the 1999 constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, section 214 stipulated that there shall be a police force for Nigeria, which shall be styled as Nigeria Police Force. Subject to the provision of this section, no other police force shall be established for the Federation or any part thereof. The police force are under the commandment of the Inspector General of Police, which is being appointed by the President in his discretion. The powers of the police. The Criminal Procedures Code and the Criminal Procedures Act make special provision for the police force in circumstances where the police force can carry out their duty by applying force. The Criminal Procedures Act made this provision that the police can carry out their duty by applying force reasonably necessary in order to overcome any force resisting arrest, or they can use force to quell riot in a situation where the police are trying all they could to suppress a riot. They are unable, they can apply force. And when such provisions is being made or such statement is being made, it is an open check for an abuse. It creates an environment whereby the police can apply force, apply arbitrary use of power to the people. So this video is to clear your mind, is to let you know that there is no absolute right anywhere. There is no absolute right as long as these jurisdictions of Nigeria is concerned. Although in other jurisdictions, there are laid down procedure of law where a right of the citizen can be deprived. But the same is not applicable here. The Constitution has made it. So what is the tendency of what are the tendency to look at? What are the measures that have been put in place to look in which area the police can actually apply this force? How are they measured? What are the measures that have been considered or have been put in place that this right, of police applying their force in ensuring that citizens comes to order? What are the measures put in place? The section 33 said that everyone has a right to life and that no one can be deprived intentionally his right to life except in the execution of court sentence in a criminal offense which is being found guilty in Nigeria. Though section 33 subsection 2 said that there are derogations. It said the derogation which this right of life can be taken. If you look at the paragraph A, paragraph B, and paragraph C of that subsection 2, it made this provision in terms of quelling of riot, in terms of ensuring that there is they reduce insurrections or suppress violence that is deteriorating to property or to the life of other persons. So police can apply force in the situations like that. We are saying You know, when this provision is being made, this provision has been made available for the police, that it is an open check. It is create an environment where they can abuse can be carried out without check, without measure that is to be looking at. So we'll bring these videos to you that indeed there is no absolute right, and that you should do all you can within your own capacity as a person, as a reasonable citizen. You should have to apply all the necessary measures to stay out of trouble and to ensure that you have a duty to ensure that there is peace and order in society, so that you will not run into trouble. Your life is very, very important. The circumstances of life, it is not something anybody can just jeopardize with. So it is for you to know this thing, that you must try all you can to secure your right. Once again, like I just said, my name remains Innocent Atin Esquire. Please, when you visit this channel, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. And secondly, also drop your comments at the comment section. Thank you and remain blessed.